What's the meaning of band? Band. Band.
Band. Band. The word band has several different meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. One common meaning of band is a group of people who play music together, typically using various instruments to create harmony and rhythm. Another meaning of band is a strip of material used to fasten, wrap or hold something in place. Band can also refer to a group of people who share a common interest or purpose, such as a group of activists working together for a cause. In addition, band can be used to describe a range or spectrum of something, such as a band of colors in a rainbow or a band of frequencies in a radio signal.